So we finally got to Jam Zone after Google Care to the ghetto. We went to the Google ghettos just now because like I'm not the best person with directions. So we got to Jam Zone and that's in Constant Spring pretty much. The whole crew here, well most of the crew is here. And we're about to go bowling. Oh wait, look at this.
Copy Nike.
Jam Zone. Welcome everyone.
Come on in.
Oh my god.
I'll never stop some Jam Zone.
Go through, girl. So we're here at Jam Zone right now, waiting to pay. We have to pay here. Is this where we pay? Yeah, last time I paid. Oh, she has a reservation.
Yeah, but there's nobody there.
Well, right now I don't see anybody working. It's around 9 o'clock. Well, it's around 8:30 at night. So I think everybody went on a lunch break. I'm not sure, but let's see.
I'm going with this. Blue man's is this. Blue man's is this.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, we have weed.
Huh?
I was gonna say we have weed and just to get their attention, but I don't think that works.
Oh man. What are you guys talking about? And yeah, right now we're gonna sort the reservation pretty much, luckily. Just waiting. What is this, guys? What is this?
It's like teachers easy.
Wait.
It's not gonna go.
So we're about to get the most beautiful shoes you can ever see. Not Yeezys.
No.
What?
Those are fake Yeezys.
Wow. But yeah, we're about to get some bowling shoes.
Oh
you
my
know
God.
how we do.
Oh.
Of course, we are going bowling.
Those are sexy.
Yeah, man. Oh, I love bowling shoes. They always come in a wide assortment of colors. Right there, we have green, we have dirt green, and we have like, yeah.
Yeah.
Dirt green.
You like the dirt green?
Dirt green.
And Mercedes is writing her name first for the death.
I don't know if it's the same size as your They're gonna put the names up and I want to part their mind. Are you I-M-A-N-N?
It's your boy.
These are real shoes, man. Top brand.
Top notch.
I have the ugliest ones.
Yo, I got the bowling 5s. These are very limited edition. These have the very special messed up lining. That is very rare. Keep that in mind. And I'm about to change my shoes in 3, 2, 1. Got the shoes on and we happy and we lit
and we are ready to kick butt. Time to triple TKA. Time to totally kick ass.
Bowl at your own risk. Bowl at your own risk. Ready, ready, ready.
Here are the rules. That's what's up. You can pause the video and you can read more, but I'm done. Woo! Ladies first. Come on, let's do this. Are you ready? Always ready. Yeah. Oh yeah. Stretch, baby. Oh yeah. Look at that stretch. Woo! Find the right ball. Oh yeah, that one fits you? No, not that one.
That one's a little too light.
Alright, here we go.
About to get a dub, alright? You know, dub crew?
Cannons. Alright, she just got some. She still has what? 2 more?
Watch this. Spare is on the way.
Alright, spare is on the way. That's what she said. Imani's next.
I've never bowled before. How do you do this? Any instructions?
Alright, ball that feel good in your hand? Yeah. Find an exercise then. That's that 8 ball, try 6. You go with your finger and also. That feel better? Alright. Gutter ball.
Did I get another ball?
Yeah, one more try, yeah. No, wait on the ball. It's coming back. Oh, yeah. Go on, spank that ass. Go on. Instructions from the person who didn't really do so well in her try.
I think it feels right.
Let's go. Yo, I told you not to listen to the person who didn't do well. Malakai's next. Malachua! Bro. Come on, man. Sucked. Dad. My turn?
I hope you actually hit one.
We need to move this wall. Too much wall right here.
That's his warm up, guys. Oh!
We're a little bit warm, guys.
He has one more go. Let's see what happens.
Alright, let's go. The key to this whole thing is like getting warmed up. Quintessential, that is. Yeah, as I was telling you guys, it's about getting warm, feeling the game, but this is where I'm gonna stop vlogging with the camera around with me because I wanna concentrate to be inside of the game. Oh. All right, not bad, not bad, not bad. So he just, no, wait. It's a comeback. Same ball, comeback. Why? Oh! Good going, man. Good going. Woo! Huh? No. Merce. Oh yeah. Malta. Water? No, Malta.
Yes, saying Malta.
What? Water in the restaurant. Okay.
All right.
I'm giving you this look.
Am I making you nervous?
He's nervous.
All right. She's cursing out the ball. It's not the ball's fault. It's not the ball's fault. The concentration. Mercedes, BMW, Toyota, Honda. What would it be, guys? Guys, the key thing that these guys never realized, they ordered beer. Like 2 of them ordered beer, so you know when they're bowling it's gonna be like woozy, and I just ordered like Malta. So hopefully that gives me a competitive edge. Gotta be thinking, bro.
Got that though.
This one corny one, she ordered beer, she's not gonna make it. Oh.
So what?
Of course, I'm a big fan of this drink. I love it. I'm a really big fan. I've been drinking this from a very long time.
Trying to get sponsored.
I don't want their sponsorship. I just want them to keep making Malta. That's all I really want.
He won the sponsorship.
Yeah. Oh. So guys, like I just got a strike, 1 goal, and that was fantastic. My sister just hit her first down 2, and my cousin just made a spear, so that was good. And now we have Tija going for the big one. It's coming back, yeah. Alright, let's see if the big man can get it. Come on, man. Damn. Let's go, Mercedes. She just missed the first one. Now she's going for the second one. Oh my gosh.
I tried to go faster.
Guys, she was trying to go for it. She went for speed. And like, that didn't work out anyhow. Like, not even the least bit. Oh my gosh. Alright, Bonnie's up.
I want the 8 ball.
You gotta feel for the right ball. It's
That's
like
right.
searching for the right fruit. Alright.
Why did I get on the stair?
Going again, going again.
That's what I'm talking about.
Good going, good going.
We're getting the hang of it. Back to mama. Go down. Go down. All the way down.
Who's next? Is me? Wait, hold on. Who's next?
Don't look at those horrible scores.
Of course I'm up. I just hit like 9 of them. And still, 1 is left all the way down there. Just 1. Just 1. So I'm about to go now and let's see if we can do it. Alright.
Why you want me video for that? That? Come on, man. Show me something. Give me something.
Nice try. 3 pins are left, but that was good. Why are you gonna put that back in the plate?
Where else to go for me?
Yeah, but that's half eaten, bro. One next plate. Yo, these wings are lit. These wings are lit. So right now, guys, unfortunately, I have to be plotting against my family. Like, what I do, I try not to focus on anybody else's. I just try to play the game. I try to stay in the game. You know, I don't care what everyone else is getting. I just want to win. I just need to win. I don't win, I don't know how I'm going to live with myself. I have a little cousin who I have to prove to that I'm a man. That I can lead this crew. A joke, but anyway, like pretty much we are just here, and for the moment right now I'm doing pretty well, and everyone else is doing pretty well as well. Some of them, I think my sister and my cousin Tija, they're new to the game, so they're getting the hang of it slowly but surely. I'm pretty new to the game as well, but I just try to keep it simple. I don't try to throw the ball very hard as some persons try. I just try to get the ball down there as straight as possible and try to have as much fun as I can. Whenever you guys are here, definitely come to Jam Zone. It's fun if you like bowling. It's pretty fun. Basic. I don't think there's nothing over the top, but it's nice. It's fresh. It's different. And it has Malta. So, and right now Malta just done. And we kind of really want another one right now. But yeah, back to the game. All right. All right. Lady of the Sun. What's your game plan? Cannons.
Oh my god.
What's your game plan?
Winging it.
Winning.
Winging it.
What's your game plan?
All I do is win, win.
Whoa. All right. That's the Ibby voodoo. Look at this again, watch. Ibby voodoo. My juju ain't working, bro. But yeah, the game is going good. I'm enjoying the game. I think everybody's having fun. The music is nice. Just going real good. And of course, my sister is back up.
I feel a strike coming along, guys.
You feel a what?
A strike coming
A strike?
Let's go.
Alright. She's going for the spear now. She only has one more pin to hit. How do you feel?
I'm a little nervous.
Alright.
There's a lot of pressure on me.
A lot of pressure.
I think we can do this. We can do this.
That was so close. Here comes the big man, stepping up in the ring. Here comes the big man. Melastapa. He's going again. He missed the first one, it was a gutter ball, but he's going to try again. He's going for it again. Oh, man. Well, right now, I'm going to be up next, so I'm going to let my sister try to video this, hoping it doesn't throw me off, but yeah.
You're doing good.
So Steven's getting ready. Let's see what's gonna happen. Dun, 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 dun. He has selected his ball. Wait, no, wait. Choose it. Okay. He's in his zone. And he's getting ready. He's lining up.
So, gotta be careful, alright? The ball's gonna come right here. Put the balls. Ball's gonna come. I'm gonna catch it. Yeah.
Oh, so cool.
But still, it was good, guys. All right, Mr. Teaser. What's up, bro? Come on, man. Entertain us, man. People are at home needing some entertainment. They want to see someone win. They want to see people striking out and doing well. Let's go. Oh! I swear to God, I hear Mercedes saying something, like it sounds like Cool Chance. I'm not sure, but that's what it sounds. It's pretty crazy, but let's see. Alright. Oh my God.
Too much for the camera.
All right. Here we go, here we go. Oh! One more. Okay. Let's do this. Oh man, man. Oh. Yep. Philip? Huh? Philip? Yeah. Yo. So guys, Matthew just came just now. Thank you, sir. Oh, go on. Crazy. Ready, bud? Oh, God. And who's the song lady over here? Somebody we know? Yashika. Oh, okay. Hello, Yashika. Ready, bud? Eh? Intoxicated. What's your man? Intoxicated. So, guys, I have two on either side. How can I get to the other side? I think all I need is love. Just a little bit of love and a little bit of, oh, shut your mouth, that's never gonna work. So that's me right there, guys. STEP for Steven. And now I have 85 points. I just did a strike, so it should be somewhere like 95, I think. And what I'm hoping to get is 100. I don't think I've ever been past 100, so I'm not sure. I'm going for that. Buckler. This is a newbie. It's okay, it's gonna take some time. Let's see. Alright, pretty good, pretty good. Your turn, one more time, yeah. See, ooh, you next year. Ooh, ah. No, no, no.
even possible? Someone please tell me. No, stand back. Everybody stand behind for Matthew. Oh, spear.
So if you guys realize, there's like two sets of us. Matthew came with his bro and his bro's friend. So we have a few people here that I am vlogging at the same time, trying to get everybody in, you know, on the memory, because that's what we're doing, creating memories, not just for YouTube, but for ourselves, you know.
Oh shit! That's what just wait, make Steven go first, please. So this is his final go, guys. Let's see what he's got. Okay, he got one. Hold on. No, hold on. This is...
Yeah, go on.
Look at that technique, though. What? Okay, this is Steven's last try. Ooh, false start, guys, false start. Oh, so close. But, you know, still won anyways. He beat all our ass.
Crazy.
It's Tedra's last turn. He's got one more go. The game is over.
Well, we're trying to find the full score, but for reference though, I got 109, so I got the target that I wanted, which is over 100. We're gonna play another game, another round, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen, but let's see if we can see the score so I can show you guys if you don't believe me. So what he did, you can't see the full score, unfortunately, because there are so many of us playing. But he was nice enough to offer to print out the score, so I'll show that to you. But however, I got 109, which is over what I wanted, so I'm very happy for that. But we're playing another round right now, and I don't care if I win or lose. What I really care about is getting over 109, because I'm competing. Oh, everybody's excited. Everybody's excited, but I'm trying to compete against my own self, and let's see. So we're gonna do another round right now, and I'm not gonna film everything because, of course, you guys are bored and tired of seeing us throwing balls. So what I'm gonna do is keep you updated on the score, and see you next time. So right now we pretty much are at the end of our bowling night. We're at the end of our bowling night. We didn't get through the second round, but however right now we are going to finish up our game right now. So we are going to slap Malaka in the head. I got you. So anyway, I'm gonna leave you with these three things as always, guys. Love, nature, and adaptation. And don't forget to always keep the link. Look what I got, guys. I mean, another cologne. Like, I'm a big fan of colognes. I have so many now, and I love that. But anyway, screw colognes. This is what I really wanted. Pistachio. I love pistachio nuts. My aunt got these for me. And I just really am so excited for pistachio. We all know how expensive they are, especially in Jamaica. And I will screw this up. And listen, I do not crack a nut. I do not twist a nut. I do not smash the nut. I just nut the nut. That's what I do, man. I just love this stuff. But anyway. I know you're over there.
not the nut.
I don't know, I was trying to be a little bit over the top. Bossy Tuesdays.
Bossy. Bossy pistachio Tuesdays.
Bossy Pistachio Tuesdays. Boom. I know I said that I ended the vlog, but I had to show you guys that. I love filling you guys in on what's happening, and as you can see, I'm back home. So anyhow, that's enough of that. So again, nature, love, and adaptation. And always keep the link. I'm gonna not come back.